Open them eyes.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who commands the dead to come back to life.
Yeah.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who makes a way where there is no way.
More lyrics.
They call him El Shaddai, Adonai, Yeshua, Yamashiach, Omega, in the Alpha, in the Omega, the King of
Lyrics.
Kings. He's the Lord of over kings. He's the one who raises victory. The big man in the fire. The God of sacrifice and the
Weird.
all these other gods, the chariots and horses, they have to report to a man and a God. But my God is the God of all gods.
True.
And he's the Lord of all lords, yes. He's the King of all kings. They call him Yahweh, King of all
God.
The blessing is Jehovah, Omega, the rock of ages, the stronghold, my Redeemer, the Magiver, the one who never was a stronghold. Jesus Christ, oh another.
Yeah.
My Savior, my Lord and Giver, I will bless him. He's amazing. There is no one like
Give me lyrics.
I said, mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
One who makes barren women mothers.
True.
Mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
Who is able to open eyes for the blind.
Open them eyes.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who commands the dead to come back to life.
Yeah.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who makes a way where there is no way.
More lyrics.
They call him El Shaddai, Adonai, Yeshua, Yamashiach.
Zion, I see you. You're welcome. And Udada.
He's the Lord of over kings.
Udada. I see you.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
In the fire.
Please like the video.
Weird.
G-What, I see you.
They have to report to a man and a God. But my God is the God of all gods.
True.
And he's the Lord of
Ogolie,
all
Anthony. You're welcome.
Kings of all kings. They call him Yahweh, King of all.
God.
The blessing is Jehovah, Omega, the rock of ages, the stronghold, my Redeemer, the Magiver, the one who never was a stronghold. Jesus Christ, another.
Yeah.
My Savior, my Lord and Giver, I will bless him. He's amazing.
John, I see you. You're welcome.
Give me lyrics.
I said, mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
One who makes barren women mothers.
True.
Mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
He's able to open eyes for the blind.
Open them eyes.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God. Who commands the dead to come back to life.
Yeah.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who makes a way where there is no
More
way.
lyrics.
They call him El Shaddai, Adonai,
Davis.
Yeshua, Yamashiach.
David Cole, I see you. Davis Cole, I see you. I greet you. Guy report, he says. You're welcome.
He's the Lord of over kings. He's the one
Please
who
like the video. Like the video. We're about to start.
Yeah.
Mando in the fire. The God of sacrifice and the
Weird.
all these other gods, the chariots and horses, they have to report to a man and a God. But my God is the God of all gods.
True.
And he's the Lord of all lords, yes. He's the King of all kings.
I'm trying to share the live stream.
God.
So you yourself can also do the same thing. You can as well share it from your end.
Weird.
Jesus Christ, another.
Yeah.
My Savior, my Lord and Giver, I will bless him. He's amazing. There is no one like
Give me
him.
lyrics.
I said, mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
One who makes barren women mothers.
True.
Mighty, mighty, mighty
Igwe, I see you.
Able to open eyes
Benjamin
for the
Sunday.
Open them eyes.
You're welcome.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Delight.
Who commands the dead to
Delight, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Please like the video. Like the video. Like the video.
Powerful.
Who makes a way where there is no
More
way.
lyrics.
They call him El Shaddai, Adonai, Yeshua, Yamashiach, Omega, in the Alpha, in the Omega, the King of
Lyrics.
Kings. He's the Lord of over kings. He's the one who raises victory. The
Yeah.
man in the fire. The God of sacrifice and the
Yes.
all these other gods, the chariots and horses, they have to report to a man and a God. But my God is the God of all gods.
True.
And he's the Lord of all lords, yes. He's the King of all kings. They call him Yahweh, King of all.
God.
The blessing is Jehovah, Omega, the rock of ages, the stronghold, my Redeemer, the Magiver, the one who never was a
Weird.
stronghold. Jesus Christ, another.
Yeah.
My Savior, my Lord and Giver, I will bless him. He's amazing. There is one like him.
Give me lyrics.
I said, mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
One who makes barren women mothers.
True.
Mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
Who's able to open eyes for the blind.
Open them eyes.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who commands the dead to come back to life.
Yeah.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who makes a way where there
lyrics.
He's the Lord of kings. He's the one who reigns in victory. The
Yeah.
one man knows in the fire. The God of fish, kind of
Weird.
all these other got the chariot and horses. They have to report to a man and a God. But my God is the God of all gods.
All right. Welcome back. So we are going to go straight to the program without wasting much time.
All these
I hope-
other got the chariot and horses. They
Coming out. Can somebody confirm? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? And make sure you like the video, please. Very, very important. Biafra champion Buffalo. For real, they are just being foolish. I don't understand what they mean. I don't know who is foolish here, please. Am I missing something? My eye just, my eyes just okay. I think no. We are not talking to anybody. So what do you mean by that? I can hear you. I just saw your comment, Biafran champion Buffalo. I don't understand what you mean by that. Anyway, we are here again. Someone said, yeah, you can hear my voice. All right. So there's something that I told us few days ago. I changed my location, so my camera is not as it used to be. So just manage it that way, because I think this place is I'm gonna spend. I will be here, okay. I will be here, for this program and subsequent program for today alone. Tomorrow I'm going back to my base. Now I can hear you fine. I told us the fight between Wayi Socha and Mazi Akwa. The fight will be different. I told us. And yesterday, the woman decided to come out again to do what she knows how to do best, which is proper saga, proper saga. Proper saga. And we are going to go through those are videos. We are going to touch it. But before then, let's start with this.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, right on.
My question is that I'm calling from the south of Nigeria. So my question is that when Biafra emerged, we the southern state, precisely I'm from the Ijaw region. So how are we going to do the people that are in Ondo State? Because the Ijaw spread to Ondo State.
Thank you very much. That's where diplomatic and political approach comes in. That's what they call changing the demography, which Nigeria have done. Nigeria have also distorted our map. And this particular case, we have brought it to the African court in Banjul, specifically stressing out the Nigeria tactics to divide and destroy our people by distorting map. And this is not acceptable under any international law for a government to distort map of the people. So we have that particular right and mandate to correct the distortion of our map without the consent of the people by the Nigeria state. It is the same thing they did in creating this geopolitical zone without a referendum. You just wake up one morning, somebody will pass a bill that say, create this state. And then they start debating it. People who never represented your interest will stand in Abuja in one rep chamber, start debating, okay, let us have the state. No, let us not have the state. Those who support it say nay. Those who support it say nah. And then they will just vote those nonsense. And then before you know it, you wake up and they say, you are no longer Okechukwu. You are now Nadi. No, we are visiting the root cause of the problem, which is dissolving everything Nigeria created.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's not recognized by us.
Thank you.
That's where we are going, my brother. Everything from the political zone down to the lowest is not recognized. And that is the stand of this Biafra Republic government in exile and the Biafra de facto government in the homeland, which is the reason we already have our 14 United States of Biafra. So we are making it very clear. Whatever Nigeria created from 1914 is not recognized. That is the foundation we are destroying.
Hello, good about SVUS. This is satellite media. Mr. Rafumechi, let's all look at the proposed state being organized by the senator representing Delta North Central District. I'm talking about Ned Nwoko, and it has to do with Delta North senatorial district that are proposing Anyama states. And according to him, they intend to add to the southeastern part of the country to become 6 states in the southeastern geographical zone. We understand that the Delta North are Igbo speaking part of Delta states. In what look like the Igbo part of Delta trying to unite with their brothers. It look as if Ned Nwoko is leading the struggle. And we have seen Ifeanyi Okowa, who is the former governor of Delta State, from the same region, saying, "You cannot count me out. I'm an Igbo man."
Thank you so much. You see, what Ned Nwoko is doing recently has actually at least defined him as a true Igbo son. And I could not even fathom the level. Ifeanyi Okowa, the former governor of Delta State, they just ended the administration of Ifeanyi Okowa. I think he was there for 8 years. The man actually came out with the assertion earlier on, I think how many years now, up to 2 years, that Igbo Deltas are not Igbo Deltas. They are 100% Igbos. Nobody should be coming out in Nigeria. I mean his speech then and claim that he's an Igbo Delta. Once you are from Igbo, you are among the Kaibos, you are Igbo. Stop saying you are Igbo Deltas. So I believe that Okowa is supporting him. Then Ned Nwoko is 100% Igbo. If you look at him, he's an Igbo man, and he's doing the actual thing every rich Igbo man should be doing. He's not trying to deny his ancestry. He's coming out to tell you that we are all Igbo. So what I'm trying to say is that the struggle embarked by that gentleman, Ned Nwoko, is a welcome one by all the Igbos in diaspora, all the Igbos within Nigeria. That is how an able, educated Igbo man should be doing. You don't deny yourself because of oil. You don't deny yourself by Fulani, sold item, packaged, well-packaged item sold to you. And you will become, an alien, a stranger, a foreigner in your land, denying yourself of your nationality. Maybe because of the oil well, promise you. Or maybe another awaiting or much awaited position promised to you by the then administration of Muhammad Apati Buhari. So let me tell you, Ned Nwoko is a good man. See, let me tell you, by the time he started stammering, when they ask you where is your father, you actually know that your father is not your father.
All right. Reason why I decided to play this for you to know one of the things or some of the things that actually made people to talk about freedom. And some people don't pay attention to know those things. That is why it is easy for them to change to become a sabo. That you can dine and mingle with somebody who have different agenda from what you yourself claim that you are fighting for. We all know what is going on in terms of, one or two things that's going on about Isocha and Eggman. We are coming to that though, because in case if you don't remember, why Isocha and the Eggman decided to come together a few weeks ago, couple of weeks ago or months now, to team up together because Ogekere is not getting it right. After rubbishing Biafrans and saying no manner of things because they don't like COS, they don't like USB. They think that teaming up is the best way to go. Now, she made this video yesterday, calling Eggman, which Mazakwa, calling him names. Remember why I told you I played this video that I just played? Ned Nwoko and other people there in that, everybody's trying to do something they think that is good based on where they're coming from. As a politician, you don't need to expect him to do something different other than to, build one good Nigeria. Even though some of them will know that it's not possible, but they are hell-bent in doing that kind of thing, which we cannot stop them. Somebody said blood is thicker than water. I can see you, Frank Okonkwo. You're welcome. You're welcome. If you're just joining us, please kindly hit the like button. That is it, my brother. Yamala Gemma. Thank you so much for reminding us what we need to do. this is just 15 minutes of the program. So we are going to spend time here. Quality time. Then after the fundraising is coming up, we are going to try our best to also present it to you as well. So that's why I need to hook on here and let's do this together. Now, let me present to you, let me take down this video. I have just made my point from this video. What I want you to observe, that even Unedwoko and other people are trying to do something they themselves. It may not be something, it may not be the thing that you see as a solution, but he's far better than saboteurs. All right, far better. He can go. And let me. Why is he hanging? Wait, this one. Sorry about it. I'm not here for Ogenkere. my video is bringing Ogenkere here. No, not Ogenkere. So this is Eggman. This is what Eggman said, replying to why Yisocha. This one, but I want to play the beginning of why Yisocha's video, so that it will make more sense. Let me go to her. Let me go to her channel. Just a moment. Let me go to her channel to bring it full with that from backyard. I want to make sure that I bring it the way it is, so that you yourself. I know many of you have watched it. Many of you have watched it, and like I said, I want to make a comment on that. Really? Just a moment.
They have to report to a man and a God. But my God is the God of all gods. And he's the Lord of all Lords. Yes. He's the King of all kings. They call him Yahweh, King of all
God.
blessing. He's Jehovah, Omema. The rock of ages is stronghold. My Redeemer, my keeper. The one who never was a struggle. Jesus Christ, oh, another.
Yeah.
My Savior, my Lord and Keeper. I will bless him. He's amazing. There is no one like
Give me lyrics.
I said, mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
One who makes barren women mothers.
True.
Mighty, mighty, mighty God.
Yeah.
Who is able to open eyes for the blind.
Open them eyes.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who commands the dead to come back to life.
Yeah.
Powerful, powerful, powerful God.
Powerful.
Who makes a way where there is no way.
More lyrics.
They call him El Shaddai, Adonai, Yeshua, Yamashiach,
Yeah.
Omega, in the Alpha, in the Omega, the King of all
Lyrics.
kings. He's the Lord of all kings. He's the one who raises victory. The
Yeah.
yeah. Man in the fire. The God of sacrifice and the
Weird.
battle. All these other gods, the chariots and horses, they have to report to a man and a God. But my God is the God of all gods.
True.
And he's the Lord of all Lords. Yes. He's the King of all kings. They call him Yahweh, King of all
God.
the blessing. He's Jehovah, Omema. The rock of ages is stronghold. My Redeemer, my keeper. The one who never was a
Weird.
struggle.
All right. So let us listen to why Yisocha. This kind of continuation of what we did yesterday, because you made this video. I want you to listen to the beginning, so that you can, when I bring Eggman's response, it will make sense to you. We are not going to play everything. No, we're not going to play everything. We can only just touch the beginning. I don't need that agenda. Don't worry.
And the reason magic by our car, Van Sisi. Now, Adam Bundin Banante, the discourse of the big cool, here their voice. But I van no paper, no, where at meet yet. They are Chibus and Watus, the young over his boys, his boy.
Now, this woman made a video yesterday said that Ebe Kodike, many of you know who Ebe Kodike is, the man who claimed that he will see the end of Biafran Prime Minister, he will see the end of Gento, that he's going to do this and he will do that. He did not only say that he's walking the walk, like I told you yesterday. If you watch our video yesterday, what I'm saying now will make more sense to you because we highlighted on it, we hammered on it. One thing that man said that makes me feel like nobody should just take him serious, that he's out for something bad, is when he claimed that anybody working with just that work with autopilot or work with Samanekba is a criminal. The person is a terrorist, and somebody who is calling people a terrorist is the one buying people for working with somebody who he think without any conviction, without proper trial, without anything, without even investigation. He's sending people, to communities, making sure that he facilitates disappearance of youth. Not one, not two, not three. So this thing continues. This is so. It is very, very bad. Now, the man said that Eggman told him that Niagara PM, the Biafra Galicia, or the Biafra Galicia. Now, Eggman made a video and said that why is such a Lazuba is a drunkard. That for her to come out and claim, say what she said, is just to prove that she's a non-entity. That he don't even know who Ebe Kodike is. He don't know anything about Ebe Kodike. Like I said, if you watch our video yesterday, there's something I said there. I don't trust Ebe Kodike, number one. I also don't trust Eggman. Ebe Kodike is acting as if he's smart. And he's working with, following the template just to achieve what he himself wants. And that thing he wants is to destroy everything. So and he's actually doing that. Now, Eggman accused why he's such a. How can you be in contact with such a man? How can you be in a contact with that man, somebody like that? Why is this accusing Eggman? If you are not in contact with Ebe Kodike, how come he said what he said? How come he quote you? He just quote everything you said. And after quoting Eggman, let me remind you that everything that the man said before about different Prime Minister, Eggman don't react to that, which why he said here, and it is true. Then what shocked me, because I was kind of thinking, could it be that Ebe Kodike is just saying and doing what he's doing simply because he felt that this is, by so doing, why is such a why is an Eggman will fight each other? He just want to plant more problem in the camp of native Biafra government, or anybody that love PM, to destabilize everything. So even if you are trying to regain friendship or togetherness, they will do everything to plant more hatred. So I was thinking like that. Yes, the reason why I did not mention it because it's Eggman. Eggman is not something that you can rely on. There's no way you can defend somebody like that. There's no pedigree. Nothing about him will make me look, go like this could be a fabricated story. I don't have any reason to conclude like that. I may think that like that because of Ebe Kodike. Anybody that hates you can do anything to drag you down. Especially those people that are very, very desperate. They can go as far as saying something that they know that if they say that it will bring more problem between one and one, that kind of thing. So you see all this character going on. It gives them joy. They have testified in their churches. They love it so much. But you cannot ignore those things that are enabling them. And that is attitude of some people. Lazuba and Eggman, I don't see difference. Lazuba, you claim that let me just take it one by one. There's no need of playing the video because I believe that many of you have watched. I will play some if the need be, but I believe that many of you have watched it, and many of you have, because many platforms have already reacted on this video. I was so busy since morning, and I don't have chance. I have time now. Okay. So that is just bear with me, and please like this video. If you are just joining us, please like the video. Lazuba claimed that this man called her. If you pay attention to their conversation, the man said, "You called my PA or my secretary." That Lazuba called his PA or his secretary. The question is, how did Lazuba got the number? She tried to answer that by saying, "My number is on social media. Anybody can pick my number and call me," which is true. But back. Is everybody? Why must he be that number? I'm just thinking, could it be that somebody somehow trying to connect him to Bekudike? No, judging by the fact that she's dancing after PM was convicted, that is where my suspicion started. Fully on her. Dancing, and the next day you try to justify it by saying that you told him and he ignored you. Therefore, you see the reason why I cannot just rule this woman out. Because why is it that after she said that thing, that this voice note of 18 surfaced? Although she claimed they have been in contact all this while, but if you are in contact with somebody that you despise so much, there's nothing in common between you and him. In that conversation, you were telling him that I don't get it. Like, imagine all of us are human beings. We have people that we like and people that we don't like. Imagine somebody that you don't like, and you don't mind to let the person know that you don't like him. The person called you. The conversation will be kind of boring to you. It could be boring to you. You don't like to talk to the person, but you ended up promising the person to call you that you're gonna talk again, that you are busy now. Can we talk later? What does that tell you? It shows that everything that you are doing, you know it. It shows that you don't have any problem with that person. Sometimes when I was listening to her, I started feeling like they are forcing this enmity that is not real. This is my feelings. I may be wrong on that. They are forcing it. Why are you forcing it? Why are you trying to make Biafran believe that somehow you have issue with Ebe Kodike? A man that called you and you guys were claiming that you guys were exchanging insult. Then you say, okay, meeting. I will call you back. Let us talk later. Can I call you later? And this is your supposed name, isn't it? A block wire. Not the way on block wire. If or not. The genesis of the conversation. Because I could remember when I have started, reaction video and posting some videos. I think I don't run live program like I'm doing and then. I only do uploading. When somebody called me, when I tried to to stream live, and one of my few live program, I shared my number when those days. PM was still here. I think this happened 2022 or 2022 or 2023. I can't remember the year now. But it must be this. It's not 2024, please. Somebody said, Kai, report, please. I have an issue. I stay in one country in Africa. I am looking for, can you to help me talk to cabinet members? There's one problem we are having in their place. So I was okay. I don't have anybody to call. I don't have any number, but I can see this woman's number. I copied it and chat her up. She did not reply. I called her, call. To the extent that not 1, not 2, not 3 days. And then she don't control big audience. Like she started controlling after Biafran rediculation. Okay? I told myself, why is it that this woman is not replying my message? Not even call. So I'm surprised now that she's returning call. Listen, because why I'm saying this is because she wants us to believe that a random call came to her and she tried to return that call without knowing the people. Behold, is Nane Bekudik. Ebukudik said, Ebukudik was asking her, you called my PA. She said no. Maybe I returned the call. Or maybe it depends on what your PA. So I wonder what could be that thing that somebody will say or do that mandate you to return like she did. And in my own encounter, she did not reply. She did not return. Until I have to call her brother back and said, my brother, let me forward the number to you. Keep on trying. I can't try again. That was then, before PM was kidnapped. Was arrested, not kidnapped, sorry. So you can see it now. You see my reasons. So if I'm suspecting her and everything she's saying, please understand me. Because I cannot trust them. Not at all. No, not at all. Now let's listen to her. Pay attention. Let us listen.
And
Chichi baby cake him.
for the first time, Vam,
Samuel Jackson, I see you.
Each way made Biafra angels attack for the first time. Since that surrender at Biafra liberation, with Ebubagu Ngozi and the Nigerian military, Vam look at the well location. Nebe fano. Manatata. Vam location. I just smile. Man, Nanya can waggy. He will not walk against you.
Happy to hear that, my sister.
And let me tell you something. If you don't, people are one. Oh, yeah, can you Otako yes for on our when you take it now? The people are quite a qua. Eba was here, I think you get one. If I want, oh, Sabagopa.
Okay.
Was here, dear. Vama man may get your room the modern now. Oh, now this your criminal pastor. Now, Fuzo on our bagia. And the man is a evil man.
Okay.
A very open demand will go away complete. By young with this kind of evil. Support all this kind of evil. Pastor being up as Nancy, no propaganda Nancy. Pastor being up. When Van meet Coloban in Korea. He's the Carolina and Bezos. I'm not going to Carolina and Bezos. He actually goes in the year. I can easily Carolina and Bezos and apply it.
That's a lie. In fact, I think the sound did not come out because I moved my mic. Let me take it back again, and so you can hear what she said that I said is a lie. Now listen.
Man, will go away complete. By young with this kind of evil. Support all this kind of evil. Pastor being as nasi, no propaganda nasi. Pastor being na. When Banavamba meeting Coloban Vamano in Korea. Is the Carolina Bezos? I'm not going to Carolina Bezos. He actually goes in the I can easily Carolina Bezos and apply it. In Japan, social media, let's try that Carolina Bezos. I don't give chance. Carolina Bezos is not my friend. I don't know her. I never see her. Just na telephone come on. I never see her one-on-one. So Carolina Bezos is not my friend. So I was going on. Make one second my friend. Carolina is not my friend. The only thing I know struggle, that's all. Not about this, not about struggle. Carolina don't know anything about me. Nothing.
Last time I checked, the woman wait, hold on. Last time I checked, the woman was in her platform. She hosted that woman, that Carolina, and there were. You remember when she has brought out a video about Carolina and this is her pastor and why he's such a, and everything. Both of them team up and run program together in her platform. And today she don't know who she is.
Because struggle. That's all. My friend, one young man, I can see video of my friend. You see, the best gonna want the number. But I be feeling more. Here, what to your mind, what to everything with that person. If you can never get an about it, make it a brain head, not the kind of person. No, Carolina, Onyana Marie, Mickey. In Java, no, you're Carolina. You know, major meet somebody with a brain.
La Zuba. You always challenge somebody that is far better than you. Far better than you. La Zuba.
I'm an hour idiot and I'm not here, so that can we share my program. And I'm like to be a walk.
Madam Origin.
And they will make him happy.
That's no matter.
How much a program for IG money women's with you?
Yeah. Opposite on a figure. On a figure.
Now, Umaja can be the go do the first conversation mona.
So let us listen to that conversation.
Let me go.
Okay.
That conversation. Oh no, conversation. Yeah, wumba. Yeah, wumba. Oh,
but Manina, go ahead. You should take a meeting. Can we talk? Let us talk later. Okwambao coming from the enemy. Like we're going to.
Get on. And I'm an Avamba here. Go get it. Because I watch my program. I want to watch my program. Where are body on way today? In a van, I'm gonna ever go dick and I can't. So I wouldn't talk about bank at IBK pipe or the Romana shelter. I want to pop back and up and I'm going his way to call Joya. So I be cool down. I call him secretary. I want a secretary, yes, and
Now, this is the reason why the part I believe that reference should have or should pay more attention, he admitted that he's killing Biafrans. So why must he be these people alone reporting, submitting files, document to Finland? Why this guy said that he lives in Israel, which I doubt, but I believe that there must be someone that knows something about him, because his own is to target people. So why can't he be targeted as well? Why?
Yes, I told me money way back. You are young, no job. I told you now this place. Now what out this place? I walk and go so when I think I say so. Every quarter get so. Everywhere do the man. And they need a baby bomber. Why are you hiding? They need a baby bomber. Because when they want it, every quarter can I want a baby bomber. They say so. Every quarter can and a baby bomber. They go so what in the morning.
La Zuba.
Why you say so? And I'm
you know, the guy is busy asking her for her address. He sent me your address, but he can't even show his face, nothing more. Nothing at all nothing about him. And quickly bully rumor for one can so if any men like keep as I would told you. To be honest with you. But can deny time will tell. Na kwe genti.
Oh, no, you know, but when they just innocent people, when they do when they basic, didn't good pilot, didn't every project, and no, when they go to the Basia, or when the Basu go magic, one of your criminal, and I said, nothing they here. Why are you hiding? Why can't you show your stupid face? Let us see how criminality and the rubbish is. Every woman, I challenge you, show me your face. Can we see Finland? You want more? You want to make it to Finland? Why can't you come to Finland? You want to make it to Finland? And okay, my mom said, back a big body case in Finland.
Okay.
Because now this case of Atopia, a big body case of another piece. Because I'm telling you, go one appointment in Finland. Or na kebe body in Finland. Man, I can't. As social media, I'm not Finland. Why can't you come in Finland? As why is it Finland? You couldn't come to Finland. Another man now said that social media before you say. You went so hard to ever go forever. They know.
In our Liverpool. Near many actually men, not someone can be even and it's not a wow. Okay, again. So, oh, yeah, nan. And why is it a bank? Why is it so only did keep with that communication? Like normally, only did keep with that communication. Oh, there's something she said here that I will try my best to locate. Watch.
So, Why can't you bring our leader Martin now the kind out? I call you. Why are you running away? Why are you running away? It's a promise. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Why can't you bring our leader Martin now the kind out? Yes, I'm interested. Didn't bring our leader Martin now the kind out? Appointment. I'm on a bike. Let us go home now. Get out. Let us go home. Next week of October, Thunder tire you. Let's go now. By Friday. That by Friday. Rolando. What on goes on a bed the by? What on goes on a bed the
So she moved from the conversation to Ngozo Rabeze straight. You what I did now? She moved from the conversation straight to Ngozo Rabeze. I thought that normally in Igbo land they said that okay, I don't know. There are some things that any elderly person, or maybe if you're a mature person or any elderly person, let me use the word elderly person. There are some things you are not expected to do to get involved, to get yourself involved on. As okay, we forgot before, I will not do this. Nana so fancy. He check, we may before ban him even anything. This woman is her age now. She have gotten to the age of like before she talk, she will ask herself, am I lying? I don't need to lie. Let me protect my integrity. But she don't have anything like that. She's telling the guy that Nana Nigeria get her. If you were to another person, if it were to be another person that said that kind of thing, I'm a before go like that, which is okay. But you also could refer this one. Hey, oh my God, if you get a keta, no one ever get book a ticket, in the end, they may meet in a keg is much. What I said now. And she will be saying those things, expecting people to just believe that. He will take the same measurement on the areas of Chile or Nan. Upon one adjustment. Then I took the ass. You don't need to go through that, play that kind of game to prove a point. That brings me to the issue of to my question. You can see the conversation. This is supposed to be two enemies fighting each other. Then you are going to hear the part where she told this man, as she's insulting, she still adds something there. That now I got meeting. Letter. You got going to make that kind of thing. See, like seriously, you got going to be somebody. You have talked at least 5 to 10 minutes, and you already know the two of us were on contest. When you can't they were struggling to communicate, which is understandable because a man like me now, I don't pray. or wish to have any contact with anybody that know Ebekwe. You know what the point? Because over hatred now deadly. A man that is telling you they're gonna ebu. All this is just to prove a point that someone is a nobody. And Master Mechano's wife and this man, according to the man, is working. The other video, I think this is one of these voice notes. He talked about how he went to UK to meet Master Mechano's wife. So we don't need to ask anybody who is behind Ebekwe or anything at all because it is not hidden.
I will come after you in class. Go on it.
I know that they will.
Also, one day, we all of them.
Now, this man is here on this. Hey, what happened? Now, this man openly admit or threaten that he's going to kill somebody, and he's like, why don't you, Lazuba, go to police and report, or go to Israeli embassy and report? Does it mean that nobody in USB or in autopilot or anybody don't know anything about it? Because I believe that the IPOB, DOS, they know him because he's one of their members. Now listen.
I will come after you in class. Go on it.
I know that they will.
I will come after you in France. Everybody gonna wear yourself because I think this conversation, I don't know why I am doubt. My mind is doubting what this woman is saying about it. I think they know that there's something going on between them. Man, nke bezo na Ebekwe ka okwo mata ojo bi ya ho. Ebekwe ka bo to mata. Because you go self ga go the matter. Anyway, I am going to move this because like I said, all of us here have listened to this video, this audio, because I've been trending since yesterday. All right. So if you are let's assume that this is your first time of hearing this part, you can just let me know, then I'll continue playing that. But I think many of you have listened to this. Many of us have done that. Now, if you is clever, I think that he said that in the minutes 1 hour. I think 1 hour 29 minutes. Let me see, 1 hour 29 minutes. 1 hour 20 something minutes. Okay. Let's see.
Voice. Would the first voice us now ya talk about to be a life jail? Mbosu ni akolondo wa akolondo Finland. Je by Jesu ebe je chamando na talk about more than na attack. You see, as information minister, you call yourself. I don't know, so no in charge of men on ground.
Hey, Genti.
We are men on ground. We put that. We walk against somebody. As we walk about somebody. We want the whole Biafrans. Now this man is evil. No one bago. Now Nigerian military. When I be a sending money now on this song. And then the as information minister he didn't say anything. If you put up him because him and I could never go friend. Nah, Van Tiao one na because she didn't go with it and he are continuing to go with it. Now they get this man.
No.
That fellow.
I did not get that part. I did not get it, but I can't remember the minutes. I don't 1 hour something, 20 something minutes. It should be 1 hour 20 something. Let me play from 1 hour 26. Let's see.
Now they get this nonsense. Instead, this one ya there. Who see for now under 1 week. Our angel have cried out because of this evil man.
Which of us say you have not? Wait, you.
That this man, Niagara Biafra, Niagara Tobie, Biafra Yelisi, and over a big what a Kennedy a big pool. Now, rubbish, ni never called color. Nonsense, ni never told color. Where's a different man? On a this idiot to make it a little bit good.
The part that I'm looking for is where this woman refers to PM. Ogun Ima Ezioku, you don't hide it because I spend my time to listen to this video because of that Eboko. I played or I listed everything from beginning to the part where this woman started, talking about Eggman and all that, which is almost 1 hour 20 something because the total video of minutes of this total hour is 2 hours 49 minutes, almost 3 hours video. But I listened to that to almost 2 hours so far. So I think I've done justice on that. But I am looking for that part. It's gonna take us time. Maybe let for the sake of this you see, this is anything about you have not listened to this convention of Ndoko Dike and why is such a let me play the more please. Okay.
Are you not ashamed of yourself, didn't believe in the is our leader. You are no man, didn't believe in the is our leader. Why can't you bring our leader Martin now the kind of ask they do to get? Yes, I need to. Didn't believe you will bring our leader.
Yes, Peter, you are right. I gotta say I have not to. Okay, just pay attention. Listen.
Let us go home now. Get out. Let us go home. Next week of
please pay attention to that. I'll be right back. All right? I'll be right back.
I will come after you in France. Go on.
I know that they will.
Also, 100 in the world of them.
That's why we're not about address. Why you said they are big information?
Maybe if I can tell someone if I get him and make sure that he was arrested.
Thunder will fire you. Come and arrest me. Come and arrest me.
I'll go here first and arrest me. Okay, good.
But how many put them woman? Everybody go money in the garden. The woman challenge you like this, even now we're great woman. You hear me work and get it. This is what Maria Bungozi. Maria Bungozi will work and get it.
I send me a message to my get pictures and I why or could I? Which is joking and UK. I Patankata. I Patankata. We are recording a name. But I will feature and Yana house in the battle of Yamana edging all the whole voice record here. I send me a message on video. Or what should I say? One come macaroni and where I get it. Come on, another criminal. Because every voice recorded it. Osiniana was with the Yamana and but now I want to listen to my non how many to even information wasn't the one out anymore. Hope you want to rule with it.
I didn't know that you got to job your money couldn't with the second and the good. Money couldn't with it. Who know wait for you never shall I go to everybody can win a weather for them. That's what we know. What we're going to do is like I'm wanting. I ain't going to do. It's the mother. The go soon, neighbor.
I greet you. You're welcome. Get him. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Uno fala no ya o de tolo na aka ezo kunni no una mu wa da ndebo na ndege wele madi we kono we je gosi be buru de madi a osu da ni dem folo na wo nya ha si do wo and ni hu kamela o wono je buru wa ja na ya na free o wono je buru na an innocent child na just na be ya na spot.
To be honest with you, you see this Ebogodi is a very good liar. Everything, like, I don't know why I felt, to me, like I said, I'm not exaggerating Eggman. Mazakwa, I'm not trying to tell you that he's free from this crime. No. But this Ebogodi, that guy can say anything, no. That is just a fact. So I don't know who to trust, but whatever. Okay, keke sasa ni Igbo language. So Eggman, he's one of the instigator of this nonsense, and we all know his role in terms of lies, cheating. You know, in space of how many months? Do you know how many lies this guy, have dished out for Biafrans? Eggman. So many of them. So many. That is why it is difficult now to exonerate him in this kind of story. And Ebe Kodike is following everything the bomber to bomber. He watched almost every program because for him to identify Eggman, because he knew that many people have issue with him due to his personality. He destroyed his reputation. People actually gave him benefit of that when people called him back, thinking that he's a repentant soul, without knowing that he has a lot of things, hidden. So many things. Divine Precious, I see you. Next, Matthew, I see you, and our uncle, our brother, Oluchua God. You are welcome, sir. I think I send my greetings to you as well. Please do me a favor by making sure you click on like button. So, like I said, many of you have watched the video, but for the few people that said on comment section that they want to hear that, I'm going to play it again so that you can hear, because it's very, very interesting. Somebody who is doing everything to make sure that he gets rid of PM physically and spiritually is the one two of PM cabinet members are in contact with. One admits, the other one said that that he don't know anything about Ebe Kodike yet. when he was saying those things, he refused to debunk or expose Ebukwedike. Just like, how dare you to lie with me, with my name? How dare you to use my name to slander my name? You can, you know, that kind of, the guy did not say anything like that, yo. Nothing, no challenge, nothing, because maybe no evidence or something. So that's why you cannot defend Eggman on that. And Eggman need to do more for people to trust whatever he's saying. I'm talking in favor of his own people, because to me, whether Ebukwedike or no Ebukwedike, I don't have anything to do with the Eggman. He himself is a pure suspect. But for the sake of gullible brothers and sisters, our gullible brothers and sisters that are still thinking that Eggman somehow is getting it right, you need to rethink. Honestly, you really need to rethink. Very, very important too. Now, let us continue.
Yes, I don't support evil. Everybody, I don't support evil. Everybody, we don't send the people out of everybody, 15 years, there's an incident. Everybody, even men are keeping. Everybody, even men are keeping. Everybody, even men are keeping. Everybody,
before this plan, onye mụ na ya na-agba ọfụma rekọd ihe na-ekwu.
Ana m elekọdụ kwa nke m.
Ana m rekọd nke m na
ichere m wee ewu.
Lazuba, he don't joke with this one recording. Now, Obun and Lazuba, they feel maybe irritated with Ebukwedike's, stand on all this that they are going back and forth in name of argument and all that. She said rather, that Ebukwedike called can't you go down to make a meeting? I mean, this is supposed to be a conversation that you will be very, very angry. You will be eager to end it. But the woman is still promising him that after this, that sounds to me like what you guys are doing here is just like, a drama. That kind of movie that will say action. Then you say your own, I'll say my own. After everything, you go back again because you are my colleague. How can you just open your mouth and say that kind of thing? Since you claim that you are not with him, he's killing no margin, not a bone margin. Which I agree, because the man had other years on our brag. Nage make a nage busy gentle naka wale na begunama. Nage make a man cause nage this year will one foundation. Many of you have watched his former video or from his audio that was trending. All right. Then after saying that, we started hearing and all that. There's also a rumor that Imo State government, contracted him to do what he's doing, but if I can affect everywhere, so we need to be careful. Now, Lazuba here, for you, Lazuba, to claim that you are what everybody is saying is an idiot. Everybody is insulting you, you are insulting back. At the end of the day, in the midst of that insult, you are proposing that this. Let me go to let me go down and have a meeting. Then you are trying to schedule another conversation like this one. It means that you drive joy. And what gives you joy? Your guess is as good as mine. Listen. Exactly. IJ, thank you so much. You just nailed it. Look at it here. She said a script play. That's all they are doing. They are busy acting on the template they were given. That is what I'm trying to say. Because there's no, just think about it. Imagine now that somebody called you and begin to say something that you don't believe on, you know that the person is lying, the person is actually trying to talk over you, are trying to talk over the person, you guys are arguing that, then in the midst of that argument, you say that I have a meeting now, let us talk. That means he's your friend. As simple as that. That argument cannot separate your togetherness. Do you understand? Let us come. If I get to come and go, later, I want to go for I have a meeting. I want me friend some people that are mad about themselves. Anyway.
Continue this conversation. I don't make a meeting. If you want to keep it. I bet you if you want to keep it. If you want to keep it.
It's a little meeting.
I continue this conversation. I don't make a meeting. Simon, we are a leader of moving the whole Biafra. So what a day. You come on, I don't live and take it. Only for one Adam, why will and down my deed. Yamakan now, but this is our leader, Master leader of the whole Biafra. What a day. We are not Biafra. Oh, what a day, who believe wherever Madis. You believe every medicine you want you. Yes, I see. Oh, so now the come on several times in the DSS office. This is how I go. I saw one of the mama what would you think about it? I'm going to go. Why judge them your bone? I don't you pass into you. We do one other thing.
Lazuba.
So now just get to put them on the never go to get. Open up the state, they will tell you over 80 something. Thunder fire you. That is the job. Open up the state, every 40K. Open up the state. Every coach, they go to every coach, I go to Manchester. Open up the state. Open up the state. Go to get with it. Over 80 something cops in the lady. Everybody governor just says they were over 80 something or something. I'm also that's joke. Everybody examine everybody catch on this go in a job.
Okay, so let me adjust it again.
na reply onye
with family.
nwoke ebe ka ọ dịka jere kidnap because ịma na ọbata obi ebe ga-apịa the same game ahụ azụrụ ka a chọrọ ịzụ ọkwa ike and onye chọmpion bidoro ya nke bụ Ngozi Ọlabeze onye bidoro
aka m esokwa m ịga jump over this one
onye bidoro ya uke ike ngwu echibuzie gwatụ mgbe nke ebe ka ọ dịka wee pụta egbucha afa ha pụta mana ọ gwago ndị family of this guy this man ọ na-ebe ka ọ dịka ka a na-eluzere ụmụnne ndị ọbọrụ agent then nwa reply anya
ebe ka ọ dịka thunder fire you and fire your generation ịma ebe fanụ ndị ebube agụ ndị otukwu ndị kidnapụ mmadụ ndị ebube agụ ndị otukwu kidnapụ mmadụ ọ na-agbarapụta kwube your criminal gang group ndị kidnapụ ọ na-ekwube ebe ka ọ dịka iri ka agwọ bedoro gị ike ọgwụ bedoro gị ebe ka ọ ebe ka ọ dịka budere n'ọchụ ebe ka Chineke bụọ gị ọnụ and your generation of Begodiki can never survive. Don't worry.
Okay. True.
That now one Igbo Silike.
I think we are caught.
I one if I can see. Ebe Kodiki and Kwete na one Igbo. I will about Jesus Christ. Aja Igbo na mmadụ anaghị emegide na opepụrụ anyị Igbo na ha ebidogo. How many armored tank? How many ma bomb unu si n'elu na-atụ si n'ala na-egbu? Gịnị mere unu ejide ya? Ndị unu nyere poison. Gịnị mere unu ejibe njide fa ebe ka ụdike? Are you not a man? Okay, why can't you carry your terrorist gang group go there? Okay. It's a no work here. Who is a kidnap or Papa 80? Who is a village man kidnap or now on a top way? Who is only a courage and never the village invade? Kidnap one young youth, whoever required their organ. They let only can go to by corner who kidnap or tiger days. Intende iwe ka cause of unju na agba break unu bugide ọgwụ unu lebizie unu nwekwa space unu ebido kwa chofu village unu ya abakwa bube ebe ka ọ dịka agbala ngese ife ọsọ unu bube na ụmụ Igbo ya abụ ụmụ Igbo can never finish ebe ka ọ dịka iwe criminal na ebe ka ọ dịka let me tell you something, I'm a great woman, very great, higher than you. Ebe ka ọ dị ka onye na-agwa gị okwu ada mmụọ ada ndị mbụ na ndị eke ọgba eke arụsị niile nọ n'ala Igbo nwa ya ka m nwawo onwebe arụsị nọ n'ala Igbo na-eti ibe ọba onwebe ịmara onye gị na ya na-eme ka ife ebe nnọkụ na ejechichiche eje ọfụ n'ụra ebe mụ nwa ada mmụọ nọ uru ejechichiche eje ọfụ n'ala ka na-aga ebe kuru efu anụ nwoke na-aza ndị mba na ndị eke efu anụ nwoke chigidere chiza ndị mba na ndị eke na ndụ gị niile mana efu nwaanyị ọzọ aga ndị mba na ndị eke jezu ike unu ji na-ewepụta nwoke mmadụ pọintị nwetara ka ọ bịa mee ife ị na-anụ unu bịa unu awere nwoke mmadụ unu kidnap ya terrorist gang group wefa amụbịa na ka esi were gbu ndị ụmụazị ivukọrị chakakpọ iwe akwa rek ndị iji general hope ụzọ dị mma ego because of ego ka iji egbu ụmụnne gị because of ego ka iji egbu ụmụnne gị shame on you ebe ka ọ dịka shame on you ebe ka ọ dịka Chineke pụọ nke ọnụ ọza na-aza he didn't reply. Ebe Kodike didn't reply. Then I sent him another message.
Okay.
And I will block you.
My block, okay. Because I don't have time to discuss with you. Because something is not nonsense. I will block you again. I will block you. I'm not block you. Which has come, let people like me with the one day in the kitchen. And after that, we change that. Okay, I'm not going to.
Imagine if there's a cabinet now.
Depend on what we do. I told you. When I don't want to, when I don't want to, I'm going to depression and he's a bit. I thought about maybe on a go. Everybody get I'm gonna get a number one so you put anything in the language and I'm anything in the language, another year. About to be over CCs.
It's not true.
And then my people, you get
it's not true.
Which I when I go morning, you put it there. Come in on that appeal.
He said. Now let me adjust. Please, some of you, if you are one of those that want to hear this from beginning to the end, please, we cannot play everything, please. All right, we cannot play everything. I'm trying to manage the time we have. Wait. Now, after hearing all this thing, let's hear from because it's all about Ebegodike and Eggman. Ebegodike is one that dragged Eggman to the argument when he was having a conversation with this woman. What they are discussing, I don't know. Why Ebegodike called her, I don't know. But I believe that the man must have seen her job, what he's doing on social media, and felt like, okay, this woman banned already. Let's go. Without knowing that he wouldn't lion. Oh my goodness. Lazuba. Let me take this here.
Nigerian military, when I fight if ebe Kodike were nke pụta no ife a na-ekwu maka ibe anya nọ na torado ọ na bedado ọ na ugando ọ wụrụ ife anyị na-ekwu maka ya na-ekwukwa o.
We show so many of you how whiter and white and integrity matters a lot in this movement. Not be chop.
Now, I'm looking for Eggman response. Where's that his response? Is this one? I want to play it from his platform. Now, this is it. I want to play from his platform so that why we will not be interrupting.
And embrace brotherhood and brotherly, brotherliness. And I want Biafrans to gather here. I want to talk about something very, very important.
Okay.
Very, very important. There are very few of us that are in the media that are like vam. Very few. I will blow my trumpet. Yes. If nobody will blow it, I will blow it.
Okay.
I'll blow my trumpet because there are very few of us that will put our lives on the line. Swear before the gods of Biafra that if by any reason we are against what is bringing us freedom, that the land should kill us, should destroy us, destroy our lineage and everything about us. We have sworn with our lives. But one funny thing about I am very peculiar about that. Our leader, Mazin Namdekanu, is very peculiar about that. Our leader, our Prime Minister, Masa Moneka, is also very peculiar about that. Apart from us, three of us that I know now, I have not seen anybody in the media that puts their life, their destiny, their future on the line and put it on this struggle for freedom.
So this guy is comparing himself. He's comparing himself and PM and Mazen American, three of us. You see, I told us the major problem of these people, not only Eggman, no, you see power, position. This is exactly why they decided to go against Biafran redeclared. Because their office was dissolved. Not forget about what I told you initially. The man she stopped fundraising. No, he's not playing out. After the redeclaration of Biafra, these guys, Sonakbrawa and Ogenkere, started calling themselves three wise men. Right now, he's no longer working with them. He's now trying to tell you that Mazen Nakano's PM and him are the three wise men now. I don't know what is wrong with this, our brother. Maybe not the Kakwaka or the Kawa if something must be wrong somewhere. Now listen.
Now, that drunkard that is bamboozling some people, and some of you will gather and be listening to a drunkard, somebody who will drink alcohol. After drinking alcohol, I come and start talking to all of you. The video was sent to me yesterday. So many people, I have made up my mind that I will never respond. And as I'm talking to you now, I will never mention the name of that drunkard. From when I say drunkard, if you don't know who the person I'm talking about, I am sorry. Because that fellow doesn't deserve that I mention the name.
No.
Tongue is holy.
Eh? Wait, you're getting the holy?
I am sorry. Because that fellow
wait.
doesn't deserve that I mention the name.
Uh-huh.
My tongue is holy.
Your tongue is holy. Wow. Oh, you are. He said, "Guy, who he's referring himself that he's holy. His tongue. Say my tongue is really, your tongue is holy. Wow. Mazakwa. Aqua in aqua before the holy, not your tongue. Oh, holy aqua, like not even holy, innocent aqua. Not your holy is too big. My tongue is holy. Go on. Hey, nah, this guy don't know anything, no. Really? Your tongue is holy. I did not see this one coming. Anyway.
My tongue is holy. It cannot mention a detestable abomination from my mouth. That fellow is an abomination. And you see Biafra, this Biafra will show so many of you how whiter and white and integrity matters a lot in this movement. Not be cho. No, not be cho.
Okay.
Integrity. Whiter than white.
Now I know why you started by saying that you are going to blow your trumpet. It's going to open the trumpet. Get your leaf. I'm going to. Really? Integrity. I can now your tongue is holy. I'm like get all that Canada. Now integrity. Nah. Mazakwa, I did not expect it. At least I know that you're not daft. You speak well. So what has come over you? Like seriously, you think that your tongue is holy? Anyway, it's integrity. So what? Let us just let me please. I want you to help me. Your integrity in terms of what is that? I don't know what is like how How? By lying, by claiming what you are not? I don't understand you. Honestly, I don't understand you at all. Anyway, let's hear him. Now,
Whiter
wow.
than snow. If you are not, you see this struggle, you can't go far. You will be consumed.
Ah,
The struggle will swallow you.
this guy.
You can't survive it. And the truth is that this period we are, there's what I call the wave of cleansing. There's a wave of cleansing. And this period is a period of washing. So that anything that is in Biafra that shouldn't be inside of Biafra, anything in the Biafra struggle that shouldn't be inside of Biafra, this wave will blow them away. Some of them that are still struggling, when the tornado is blowing, look at America, go and look at the videos of tornado or tempest. When it's blowing, some people in China, it happens. Some people, the thing will be rolling them on the floor, rolling them on the road. Some of them will be looking for a standing tree or a vehicle. Sometimes when they hold vehicle, the wind will also blow the vehicle. And it will roll them away. Some of them, when they hold a tree, the wind will uproot the tree. Oh, I never see anything. You see this movement for the freedom of Biafran people, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu understood and knew that it is only a miracle. And that miracle must happen.
Kashmir, you're welcome.
I'm proud. I'm glad. I am privileged
I say
to be amongst those that will make that miracle happen. I am privileged to be among those. I know what is annoying that drunkard. I know. And she is ready.
You can never repent.
To go and open the floodgates of Satan. Get a voice note from Lucifer. And then Lucifer will call my name. And then she will come on her platform and play it. And some of you that don't have the Spirit of God, that don't have the spirit of questioning, you will believe it, hook, line, and sinker.
Now, this is his own style of telling you that why he's also claiming that what everybody claiming that everybody can send that message to her just for the during the course of the agreement and everything. And everybody is trying to tell her that this is the person, the right person. Like I said, I don't trust that. But the way Eggman presented it here makes me feel like there's something to that. Somebody said that you told him something that you yourself know that nobody would like to hear that kind of thing. He said you told him that. After saying, let's assume that you don't know him, he just formulated that story. I think you should have just said something about it when you are talking to, but you spend more time to address why he's such than to call the guy out. But he did not. That makes it look suspicious more. But let's continue.
I've only listened to the video up to I think she said it before the 20th minute. Let me see how many minutes I have watched it. Just not up to how many minutes. I can't play that fellow, that drunkard. Can't play a video on my platform. 14 minutes. I've only watched 14 minutes of a video of 3 hours, 24 minutes, 13 seconds.
Okay.
I've only played 14 minutes.
So
14.
Many more minutes
and
to
after
go.
that 14, I should be able to have, to debunk, which I am not supposed to be at this stage, debunking some miserable losers. That's not what we should be doing. Somebody say pride. So you, pastor, can is the whiter than white. You guys are just deceiving. Yes. When you talk about pride, I am proudly whiter than white and whiter than snow. Press you with. I am proudly whiter than white and whiter than snow, and I can boast of it. There is no righteousness in me as far as this Biafra is concerned. And that's why I will stand the test of time. That's why I will be able to embrace my Nnamdi Kanu, and I will not follow that anointing.
Okay, we shall see.
I was listening, and then I heard the drunkard say something. You know, a very respected brother who knows why this bastard is actually, or this drunkard is actually doing what she's doing, have told me not to respond. And I honestly do not want to respond. But the thing is that some of you, Biafrans, I will just help you. Because some of you, it is difficult for you to believe the truth, for you to see the truth and follow it. Because most of you like gossip, you like story, you like cho, you like
that one is true.
Accusation. Saga.
That one is true. Saga, yeah.
Not past that level of saga, of cho, of accusation. Stop that prayer and come here. Stop praying. We pray. I will pray. I will pray and I will call upon heaven. And heaven will answer me. Heaven will answer me. And if I am not white, heaven will slay me.
Okay.
But if I am white, then heaven will answer me. Now, the drunkard told you people that one name called Ebekwedike. Someone was telling me yesterday, Ebekwedike. I don't know such a name, whether it exists in the dream or I don't know. The only time I started hearing that name is on the social media when people are saying, I think Gentle the Yahoo have mentioned Ebekwedike. And then I heard Biafra Unite even did a program also calling Ebekwedike. And I'm going to see whether Biafra Unite, the Kukuna of this one, I'm going to see whether he is going to embrace this drunkard with this her latest propaganda. I will see. You know, the thing is that anybody that loves righteousness and loves truth and is walking in light, when you hear that demonic voice, you will know that this is nothing but a sorcerer, a very wicked spirit. I don't know who is Ebekwedike. Doesn't exist in my life. I don't even have his number. How can I have his number when I don't know him? It is.
Now, you see, he focused more on why he's such a than Ebekwedike, who used his name to lie. Now, it's not as if Ebekwedike said it verbally to Waisoja. He told Waisoja to record it. Record it. Waisoja said that I'm already recording it. He said he's recording it from his own side as well. Now, you know, at least you listen to that part. You can hear Ebekwedike mention your name. You did not talk to Ebekwedike anything at all. You focus on just to calm that France. No, don't be angry. I'm still here. No. Nah, I don't understand, but let's see.
Something they said about the Kenguru. How can I have it? No, the other lunatic was saying that I'm working with the Kenguru. Even the Kenguru did a program. I saw the program and said, Bam 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 is my boy. I heard one the Kenguru who said it.
Okay.
And then you ask yourself, how can Bam 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 be the boy when I don't even know, I don't communicate with you? We don't have conversation together. You cannot bring a chat now or a talk conversation that me and you have. Yeah? So when the enemies want to destroy you, they go to the best of your best. They go to pollute your mind about them so that you will not believe them when they tell you the truth. And because when they tell you the truth, that truth will deliver you. They don't want you to believe them because they are not doing anything.
But for the fact you are not saying it the way it's supposed to be, make it look like you are afraid of Ebekwedike, so that he's not going to play your own voice note to him. Because you focus on why is such a, and you ignore the man himself, Ebekwedike. Like that part is not going down well with me. Like there was a way of saying that you should have just look at what happened. I don't know this man, and you Ebekwedike, you always swear that you will bet with your 10 fingers and your 10 toes. I was waiting to see that kind of pour some anger on Ebekwedike, but being for a fact that the man himself, no jiggle of Brocoso, maybe he has some of your voice note that he lands you put it on him. And you have never told Biafran that you are under duress, right? Nothing. So you better come clean. What you are saying now doesn't make any sense to me. To be honest with you, I won't lie to you. If you know that Ebekodike is your enemy, then act like one. Not this pretense. Come on.
To set you free. They want you to perish. So they can conjure anything and then they will sell it to you. And some people, I saw some comments. As I watched only 14 minutes. I saw some comments. Some of them say, Vam Vam Vam, I never believed it. Vam 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 is not pure. Vam Vam. You are with your own opinion. You see this freedom, Biafrans must have it. And if Vam 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 is a problem, Chukwuka Biama will slay him. But if you are listening to something that will derail you and land you in hell, I pity for you. I pity for you. That's my colleague, Palia, Rosie. Amore mio, grazie. I pity for you. Then somebody played the voice for you. And they said that Van 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 spoke to me. And the shameless drunkard told you people that I have blocked the number since. You didn't ask yourself. So you even have the number of this demon. You have the number of this demon in your phone. Then you say you block the number. Then suddenly you open the number again. And therefore, she said that, and you people were still sitting there and listening to her. May God have mercy on your souls. May God have mercy on your souls.
Ego man.
You have the number of this demon. Hey, what in this life will make such a name that I have heard that is so evil and demonic, even from the mouth of Robert Obie, Gentle the Yahoo. I have heard Gentle of the Yahoo telling the world how evil that Ebekodike is. And then you have the number.
That is why I was expecting you to rain words, or not even insult on him. Call him out. But like I said, I want to some evidence of you talking to him. Maybe you have sent your audio, or maybe he recorded your voice. And there's a one corner. So you think about it. Think about it. Anyway, we'll just watch this. And I'm gonna send my link. I want to welcome only a few people. And maybe one or two. If I did not say anybody, please, because I'm coming back. I need to wind this one down. I'm coming back for fundraising. Hopefully, to meet up on that one. He said we did not play both of them from beginning to the end, both the one of White Social and this one, because, like I said, if you have not watched that, please, you can go to Eggman Twitter, if you're on Twitter, or better still, message me on WhatsApp. Tell me to let me know. Just so I will forward it to you. Both of them, you can watch it at your own convenient time. But I am not going to continue playing it here, please, because of time. So the link is out. But let us listen to this one more, just a little bit. Edmond is here. Eggman is a pathological liar, 100%. He lies a lot. He lies a living.
That fellow, and then you blocked it before, and you said something taught you to open it. Hey! Now let me tell you, dear friends, what I believe must have happened. This drunkard, I believe, I will put it to you that he's communicating with that Satan. And probably they have agreed. Do this voice note and send. Just say it, because these people I talk, because if you people can believe in God's Araboise, if this shameless drunkard can walk within God's Araboise for so long, you know how long it took her? You know, so many of you that actually advised me to be careful of this woman, you cannot forgive.
Carlo, let me hear from you.
How's it going, Devo?
Never want him to get him.
ịma ihe ihe gbasara nwaanyị isi ọcha ya na vam ekwesịrị ewe ihe a na-etinye ọnụ bikos anyị ma ndị ha wụ like ihe m na-ekwukwe bifo ndị anọghị na the struggle o kwesịla by now Biafra amatala ndị ahụ ọ ga-atụcha achị maka mgbe ụfọdụ ịma onye oke achị na-eme ọ na-ama nke ọ tụrụrụ atụ bifo ya bịa ya atụrụkwa ọzọ tikwasa lee vam ị na-asị onwe ya na okwu ya dị nke a ya wụrụkwa nke a wụrụ nke a wụrụ nke a ihe ndị a niile hello
ana m anụ na gị na demand ekwukwu na ya wee integrity na tọng ya dị
ọ na ya wụ ndị oke achị ndị oke achị a na-echefu ọ dị ka nga mmadụ na-achịrị gị achị mgbe bụ ya echefuzie ihe ọ chịla gị bifo ya chịrịkwa ọsọ tinyekwa na nke ahụ ọ chịburu achị bifo dowe ahụ ha na-edowe ahụ na ndị ka ha chịrị bifo na ijighị ya n'aka ma ọ bụ na sensị gị ezughị oke ha na-ahụta onwe ha na ọhụnwa dị too smart ịghọtara ha na-ahụta onwe ha na ha kacha even ha kakwu Chineke ihe ọma na opoto ha tụọ ya ha efiluo na ya emekwe ha tụrụ ọzọ the same thing vam na-eme with the same thing nwaanyị isi ọcha na-eme nwaanyị isi ọcha ga-agwa gị na ya awụghị nke a na ya awụ ihe echefuo ndị nke o kwuli and ya rukwa echi ya ekwugherikwa another thing because ma vam ma nwaanyị isi ọcha anaghị m ege nna anụ ihe ha kwuru wụ na tru ebe ị na-epile ya ma ọ gaa na platfọm kele nna ma hụ ya bata ị na-asị ụta m si ajọghị n'ụlọ ụta m enwe m taim ha bikos wa ihe ha m gwara gị o nwere wọnsọtịta m si gị na ndị a ị hụrụ ndị a ma vam ha anọghị na the struggle wụ na ha anọghị na the struggle so ọ bara m uru ebe na-ewest my time na-abịa meti data m ịhụla n'otu ogbe dị hụ ihe ndị zoo na-esusu iti data mbịarute data m kwesịrị iji gee ezigbo ohe ma ewere abịa lewe ụta m na m chi ya na contribute na-eme Biafra encourage ma ewere abịa gewe west wa na ndị mma na ha anọghị na the struggle onye ọbụla na-ege ha na-ewest their time so ihe m na-eme Biafra encourage wụ ha ewerekwala okwu ndị ọ dị ka onye ebe anyị a na-akpọ Uche ị ma na anụ n'ebe anyị na gị na Uche ebe ichisa mmadụ na gị na Uche nwere problem ma Uche gwakwara gị nke onye ahụ ebele m nwa gị bikos amarala Uche okwu ya anaghị apụkwa ama onye ọwụ so gị nwa na onwe gị ị nweghị ihere ebe ịgwazi mmadụ na lekwelekwe ihe Uche mere gị ibiri onye ahụ hapụghị gị ebe ọ na-aga hụtazie gị nwasị onye iberibe otu ndị a vam nwaanyị isi ọcha and their likes otu a ka ha dị ekwesịghị ekwu okwu ewere ya ma ụwa achọwa point a na-epik ndị a sịwa no because ha wụ ndị ire ya wụ ndebe asị na ire asaa but nke ha karịziri ire asaa anyị ga-eso ndị agha eso so Biafra ignore these people ndị a n'onwe ha anọghị na the struggle ihe a na-eme cause losers ime Biafra encourage because why that ha na-atụ anya ya a na-enye ihe ya because ị hụrụ ndị a ha abịaghị fight for Biafra ihe ha bịara for position ka e were position ka e were ya koo but ya wụrụ na the main struggle to contribute to add they have nothing to add so ọ gwụla ụtọ ha m n'ọnụ kai jisie ike n'ọrụ gị continue gị na Cleaner TV you people are trying a lot continue
so much.
thank you very much.
I appreciate it. Our own mom is here, Madam Origin. Let's hear from you, ma.
Azekai Ndewo, I greet you with all due respect. I thank you for all you do. Thank you. God bless you, all the media warriors, for what you people are doing for us. I also greet all well-meaning Biafrans that are here doing their own part. Both those that are listening, those that are commenting, those that have something to say. We are all here together for one purpose. And that purpose is that we need freedom. And we know that there are people that have been employed, ganged up, doing everything to scuttle that freedom because the bigger fishes that are behind our all that is going on in both Biafra land and in Ala Bongo. And I like to call it Bongo land because I don't know what else to. Buzu is not is a disrespect to animals. So I want to say something, highlight a few things I have observed in this particular clip. And by the way, thank you for bringing. It's difficult to listen to those people, but when you bring it, your mind is set on analyzing, so it will help you endure all the trash human beings talking like this. So you see, this Dibia pastor said that he has heard that Iken Gurago called him my boy. And now he is yet to debunk the Ebubedike connection. And the woman that called herself Chameleon said both she and the Ebube something, whatever, like Ebube, what is he, what is that his name? The guy that he was talking with. I don't think it's Ebekwedike, sorry. Aria Kalia or something. So they were recording this. And there is something coming that is brewing. They are trying to set up a new, forget all these things they are saying church. They are trying to set up a new group that they will swear in, that will continue. Because if you notice, they have retired Gentle the Yahoo and Butuzo. You won't be hearing from them because they all of these, what they cooked was how to, they have succeeded in roping in our prime minister, and they worked so hard with this group to rope in Dr. Ngozi Orabueze to cook up and set up things the way they do it. Now that they didn't succeed, they are going to retire these ones and bring in a new set. You'll be seeing new sets coming up, cussing and talking like these ones. What am I trying to say to Biafrans? Don't be deceived. This battle is battle between darkness and light. They are planted. You see how they came in? You see them, some are in the cabinet, some are, as DOS, some of them are everywhere. They are working for one purpose. But one thing, I wake up every day, I remember these 50 million people that voted to exit the evil contraption that have taken, like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will say, are these people really human beings? The day he was talking, it's just one girl, he mentioned her name. I said that this girl was picked up as a virgin and abducted and raped until she got pregnant. And now she is having a second child. And he said, where are humans inside the contraption? Now elaborate it. You begin to see people Government call themselves government. If that does not keep you awake, if that does not make you say whatever it takes to dismantle is evil, we need to. It looks like even the world is marveled. The world is in shock that human beings are inside that contraption and they are going to work every day and they are going to their normal businesses. Some are going to church praying for their well-being. When their neighbor, the flesh of their neighbor smelt through their nose. Even if you don't smell it, you heard it. When there is clear agenda, there is not hidden, nothing is hidden, and people are there trying to keep this evil going. If God does not judge these people and bring down his judgment, I personally will write petition and question, because this is the highest, back in the this dark ages. If the things that are happening now, what happened, evil is happening online and people are quiet. We cannot let this evil continue. All I tell everybody is whatever, go. I hate when people come here and they are trying to, be politically correct. They are trying to laugh over this blatant evil. They are trying to excuse it out. They are trying to look at evil men as honorable men. Evil remains evil.
Sure.
So I want to rest it here. Today is fundraising. We need our leaders. They have successfully put away 2 of them. It is rare to have in history is only one that comes out and they are able to deliver their people. But because of the wickedness and the evil of the land contraption, they have been able to, and God will have raised 3 people at one time. That is to show you that this occurred over. And we must find out what your job is, find out what your duty is, and say this evil must stop. So help me, God. I rest it there, Mazikai. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. So let's move to Greg. Are you there?
Hello, Mazi. Good afternoon.
Good day to you. You're welcome.
Yes, my greetings to all our brothers in the house and all the Biafrans. I came in to greet you to say well done and greet all the Biafrans and encourage them to be strong. That all this kind of evil for us, we know it is not a news. For the news of Vam 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 and the Adada Ramma, whatever they call themselves. If the guy that call himself Vam Vam Vam, if he is pure, I think he would have started from debunking the $10,000 that he wanted to scam a woman, as I heard. If that one of Ebekodika is lie, the one of $10,000 whatever he wanted to scam another woman, is that one also a lie? So all of them know themselves. They know they are all gathered criminals. And Adada Ramma is the worst thing. The highest, if there is any mistake, I can pronounce that our PM made was for calling Adada Ramma back after he suspended her from the first time. If there is any mistake, our PM made was that calling Adada Ramma back when she was suspended. And if there is another good achievement from Dr. Ngozi Oraveze from this beginning of this session, is making sure that Adada Ramma did not come back to this very cabinet. Because these people you see are 100% betrayer, but all of them have different masters. That is what I can find out. They all have different masters who is paying them, but they all want to achieve the same goal. So, because if you watch them, they all believe in one thing, and and as they believe in one thing, everybody wants to be the one that will be the head of the saboteur. They know that they are sabotaging Biafra, but somebody want to be the head, because the person who will be at the head is the person that will earn more from their paymasters, and he will be the person that is more trusted. So both of them are all betrayers for one reason or the other. If there is another good thing again that our DP and Otongoza always did again, is for standing on her feet, for telling the military, any military that cannot work with the government should count herself out as Biafra, United States of Biafra Army. The reason is this: they know that Biafra was declared. Both of them, all of them agreed. And now they say they want to work with the government, and they want to give the government the condition they will use to work, which is impossible. And when they commit their criminality, when they commit their betrayal, it will land on the head of the government. And that time, they will be calling you that you are terrorists or you are that. So, if Biafrans who are thinking twice, why did our DPM did not accept these people for working with the government and not bringing the government report or government knowing what they're doing, that person should understand that these people who refuse to work with the government have an evil agenda. So, and you cannot be a head of a government where you cannot give account of the people who are under you, what they're doing. We all live in this Western world. When you are a chief, when you are in any manager in any company, when you are chief of anything, if there's anything happen, the responsibility come on your head. So these people that our DPM removed from the cabinet are the people that he cannot say or stand on what they can do and what they cannot do. And that is one thing. What highest achievement Biafrans should clap Dr. Ngoza for achieving it. Let them know it today. That is a very, very big achievement. If any of them who want to work with the government will know where you are, what you are doing, and the reason you are doing whatever you are doing. So that if there is any call for any question, she will stand and beat her chest today and say, this person worked with me, and I know her going out and her coming in. Any person who wants to work with the government and the government cannot give account of what that person is doing or what the person is using his platform to do, the government must distance his or herself from such a person, just like Adis Adada Ramma and the Bam Bam Bam, because we cannot give account of what they can do. They can commit criminality and they will come on the head of the government. So these people cannot be trusted. No matter any voice message, no matter what they stand for, they are evil. And nobody should take them serious. That is what I want to add. Thank you, my brother. Can God bless you. Yeah, Maz, I have concluded. I don't know if I'm coming out or not. That is why. Thank you.
Yes, you are coming out. You are coming out. You are coming out. Thank you so much. Support USB government by joining our fundraising today. That is the AJ. Very nice of you, my sister. Very nice of you. So we are going to one down now because I told us we are coming back for fundraising. So please keep your eyes on that, and the link will be also shared as well. And in case you have not seen that, you can also check it on our WhatsApp. We have it on our WhatsApp already. So my people, thank you so much for your time. God bless all of us. We are not going to delay again because we are coming back. Thank you, Madam Origin, for joining me, and Chikalo and Greg. God bless you. God bless you. IJ, God bless you as well. Gena Duru, all of you in the comment section. Tina, Asatina, I see you. Please make sure you like the video before you go. See you again. God bless us. And Divine Precious, I see you as well. All of, if I please, if I don't mention your name, don't feel bad. All right, I'm rushing. I'm trying to do one or two things before fundraising. See you again. Bye bye for now.